Despite the challenges of downsizing, many individuals find that downsizing ultimately leads to a simpler, more manageable lifestyle that allows them to focus on what truly matters. It is important to approach this process with patience, self-compassion, and a positive outlook, understanding that the rewards of downsizing can far outweigh the initial difficulties. Over the years, our team at Eastok Realty has helped hundreds of clients specifically with downsizing. And here is our simple 5-step process. We start with personal consultation. This is when we sit down together and discuss your concerns, your goals, and dreams. We are here to listen, empathize, and understand your unique situation. In step 2, we work together to develop a personalized plan that will be tailored to your specific needs. This is where we will decide on location, community, proximity to amenities, and preferred lifestyle. Once we have that in order, we will move on to step 3, which is preparing your current home for sale. Before we list your home, we will go through and make sure that it is ready to be sold for top dollar. Our team will assist you with decluttering, organizing, cleaning, staging, and repairing anything that is broken. That's right, our licensed contractors will handle any necessary repairs. All that you gotta do is sit back, relax, and let us handle the tough part. And when your home is ready for sale, the next step is showcasing your home and finding your new dream home. During this step, we employ our marketing and sales strategies to get your home sold successfully while we look for your perfect home. Once we secure your dream home and get you those keys, we're not done. As the moving day approaches, we will help coordinate with the most reliable moving company to make sure that your possessions arrive safely at your new home. Our goal is to make you feel comfortable, excited, and never stressed. That's why our commitment goes beyond escrow timelines. We are always here to address any questions, no matter what day or time. Who said that this process should be hard and stressful? In fact, downsizing opens the door to a simpler, lighter, and more laughter-filled life. Let's remember that the best memories are the ones we create, not the ones we keep in dusty old boxes.